Hi guys,
Hey,
we're the puzzle couple.
and we had a week. Let's just say that we lost a lot of film that we did. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know what I did while I was editing, but we had about 4 or 5
Maybe,
puzzles
yeah.
or so that we lost all the film for. Uh, well, actually, I think it was 4 puzzles from our uh, one that we had. Our last one for the spin the bottle was lost, and I think that was the movie one.
Yeah, the fourth
And then
puzzle.
we had a few others, and then we had this one, uh, Narelle Wildman, and this was actually a very fun puzzle. But we lost everything, and
Mm-hmm.
now it's shaking. Sorry about that, guys. And so we have the ending to it, and we have like kind of the very end of us getting it put together. So we decided that we would go ahead and put that out. It's not going to be a very long one, but
Yeah.
hopefully you guys can still enjoy it.
Yeah, so this will come out and at the end we do give our feedback on the puzzle.
Yeah.
And then if you catch the tarot part, which I believe we still have,
I think we might still have the tarot part, yeah.
we probably talk about the puzzle for that as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Stay tuned, you guys.
Yep. Hopefully we'll get better at this. Bye.
Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Hey
Hey,
guys! So we're back, and the puzzle has been completed.
Yeah, it is done. It was a kind of interesting puzzle. I mean, it only pretty much had one shape in it, other than the edge pieces.
And usually when it has one shape, like it had the two sides, one side will be like long and the other side will be short and squat, and you can tell which ones go up and down and which one goes side to side. But this one, all the sizes seem to be
Pretty close to the same
Yeah.
size, yeah. So that did make it interesting. With all the people, I mean, some of it came together really easy, but some of it was a little difficult. Like the upper part of it was kind of difficult with all the green.
I thought you did that pretty quickly.
I don't know about that.
Oh my gosh, I blink and you had it fitted.
Yeah.
It was the people though.
The people was hard.
His phone open with the camera looking at the
Yeah, looking at the box to see,
Looking at
because
the
it
box.
didn't come with the poster, so you had to look at the box. And so I was looking at the box trying to figure out, okay, where did this piece go? This is kind of over here. This is, there.
Yeah.
At least for quite a bit of it. And then eventually it kind of, once we got to a certain point, we just tried pieces until we found the place
they
that it
fit.
fit, So, and you'll probably notice that in the video. So
I used to think people were pretty easy to do, but after this puzzle and then Michael Storing's, what was the
Ski.
après-ski?
Yeah.
Painted people are not, like the paintings of the people are not that easy. Although I don't
Yeah.
know if photographs of people would be any easier.
Yeah, I'm not real sure either.
So
It was still a very interesting experience with this puzzle. I don't know how many puzzles we've had where the shapes were pretty much all similar. So that might be kind of like one of those impossible puzzles. We haven't got to that yet. So, but where all the pieces are pretty much the same thing and there is no edge to it. Although this one, of course, had the edge. So
you say impossible puzzle and I start sweating. I'm like, oh my gosh.
it's gonna happen. We're gonna do one of these days. We bought one or two of them. So
Bought 3, but we gave one to a girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
And so we have the other 2.
Oh, okay. Cool. I just yawned. Sorry about that, guys.
He stays up pretty late.
Yeah.
So, and then gets
Some
up
days.
really early in the morning when I get up. So,
Yeah. Sometimes it's just hard to sleep sometimes. Anyhow, that's not something you guys need to know.
our sleeping habits.
All right.
Okay, guys.
We will talk to you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.